Hey folks, in this video, imagine earning $5,000 or more from mailing this postcard. Now imagine the income. Can that income change your life ever? Let's talk about it on the inside of this video. Hey folks, Tim Thomas. I am super excited to come to you with a quick video. Hope all is well. And this, what you're looking at, is one of the most powerful postcards I have ever came in contact with. We're going to talk about this postcard here. We are going to talk about this Creed postcard. We're going to talk about that one. And we're going to talk about the Easy Money System postcard. We're going to talk about all three of these postcards in one video. And turn your speakers up. Before we get started, guys, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. And hit the notification bell so when I upload the video, you'll be the first to know. Folks, let's go over here. Let's walk over here quickly and look at this postcard. This thing is absolutely exciting. So this postcard, folks, is absolutely incredible. I want to talk to you about the levels of participation. We're going to talk about what we believe you can make with this postcard. Income disclaimer. Income disclaimer. In life, nothing happens until you take action, and you do a lot of it. All you do is mail postcards. And folks, I've been talking about this postcard for a while now. Look, I have video after video on the yellow postcard, the big ticket postcard system right here. I've got more videos after video after video talking about these postcards. They are amazing. 3 months ago, 11 months ago, 9 months ago, 1 year ago. Why did I talk about these things, guys? I'm very repetitive because I do it over and over again because they work. And people need to be exposed to the things that are working. I am in a lot of programs, but folks, you notice I rotate back around to all the programs. Can you mail this postcard? If you said yes, that you can mail this postcard, folks, you can take up a payment of anywhere from $500 to $20,000. That's how much this program goes up. It starts at $500 and it goes up to $20,000. I believe it's 5. Then it goes to 15, 35, and then it goes to 7,500, 10,000, 15,000, $20,000, folks. And the way it works, you get a half commission. You never talk to anyone. There's no selling, no explaining, and this postcard is absolutely on a tear. This postcard is getting so popular, there was one put in the Home Business Advisor. Folks, can you mail that postcard right here? If you can, folks, 2 or 3 of these sales a month could set you free. Now, there's a lot of crypto programs out there, a lot of Bitcoin programs out there, and there's nothing wrong with them. I endorse them. However, first of all, we want to get some solid programs that we are absolutely excited about, that we're growing our income exponentially with the solid programs, and then they call money that you can afford to lose, put it in those programs there. But guys, these programs here, nothing in all of my marketing career has made me more money besides postcard marketing. And we're going to talk about this postcard here. Then don't close off the video. Give me about 12 more minutes. I'm going to talk about this postcard here, the big Easy Money postcard system. We're going to talk about that thing here, and it's absolutely life-changing. And then I'm going to talk about the excitement that we've got going on with the Creed postcard program. The Creed postcard. That thing is awesome also. So there's definitely something for everybody to choose from. This postcard reads, folks, can you imagine? Can you imagine making up to $5,000 or more daily from mailing this postcard? Can you imagine how that income can change your life forever? The company will contact and close all of your sales if we could honestly show you a way how to generate $500 to $5,000 or more daily without making one phone call. You're in the background cognito, and without sending one email or speaking to anyone ever. Would that be worth 12 minutes of your time? to do so. Folks, this thing is a game changer. And the way it works again, you get half of the commission. The company gets 50%, you get 50%. Is it worth it? Absolutely yes. Does it work? Absolutely yes. Is there honesty and integrity? Absolutely yes. The coaches close sales on our behalf, and this thing works. And look at this, how it works. You will be assigned an ID number. My ID number is 4050. If you're going to join, dial this number, listen to the recording, pause the video, and listen to this number, folks. 12 minutes of your time that can set you free. 1-2 of these sales a month could be life-changing. Absolutely powerful. People are increasing their net worth utilizing postcard marketing. And let me tell you what, people like simple. You don't have to worry about a wallet address. You don't have to worry about affiliate marketing. You don't have to worry about an Exodus wallet, or this wallet, that wallet. All you do is mail a postcard. If you said yes, you can win. Folks, let me go over here. It says, work smart. Allow the company to close all your sales while you're enjoying your life. This system is working for people all over this country. There are no special skills needed. All the promotion materials are provided for you. And then all you can do, you can start receiving payments of $1,750 to $3,200 immediately. The current members that are involved in this program: managers, doctors, construction workers, engineers, truck drivers, stay-at-home moms and dads, teachers, accountants, everyday people are plugging into this system. Let's look at Robert Stock from Danbury, Connecticut. Says, I've been working at home for over 20 years. Over 20 years. He's been working from home. I've never seen anything as automated as this system. It contacts all your people. It does all your contacts. It closes the sales, and they send the commission to your mailbox on a consistent daily basis. Folks, this is powerful. Very excited about this program. And I have posted documented proof after documented proof of what this program has done for me. Very excited about it. If you want to join, dial that number. Tell them Timothy sent you. Timothy recommended you to the program that you saw the video. Let's look at this other postcard that we got here, folks, before we get there. This thing is absolutely incredible also. The Easy Money System postcard. It says the easiest money that you will ever get. We can honestly show you a way to generate an extra $500 to $7,500 or more daily without explaining or convincing or selling or emailing. Would it be worth 15 minutes of your time? Folks, this Easy Money System postcard, ask Reverend Andre Wilson. He will tell you what this postcard has done. This postcard has brought in some payments, guys, from some of our other members. And they're steady coming in on a consistent basis. And the folks, this call will explain everything. You are in the background. There's no selling, no telling, no explaining. And the product for these programs, you're going to get the marketing kit. In the marketing kit, you're going to get the postcards. You're going to get leads to help you get started. Folks, that's incredible. And with this one, we're going to put some extras in there. The levels of participation are 500, 1,500. We've got 7,500. We've got the 11,000. Now, if you call the line and you come in at 1,500 within 48 hours of talking to a coach, we will upgrade you to the $3,500 level. Folks, nothing could be easier than mailing a postcard. And you remain consistent. You do it over and over and over again until you win. And what happens, you'll get so many postcards out there, it will take on a life of its own. Folks, this is exciting. We've got members receiving payments all over the country, and they are not having to talk to one person. Folks, this is exciting. Receive bonus leads and postcards when you join. Don in San Diego. Don said, I've been working at home for over 15 years. I've never seen anything like this. All I do is mail a few postcards, and the payments show up. They show up at my front door almost every day. This is the perfect program for the beginner or the pro. We have professional marketers coming in this program. Look at the people that are joining this program and receiving money almost immediately. There are no special skills needed. All the materials are provided for you. And we have proven results. When you get a chance, check out the results. Folks, this thing has created more four-figure paydays than I can shake a stick at. Check out my playlist. This thing is incredible. And I feel that we're just getting started. Nobody really knows about it. It includes current executives, stay-at-home moms and dads. Construction workers are getting involved. Doctors, engineers, teachers, truck drivers. No convincing, no selling, no telling, no cold calling, no products to stock a ship, no explaining, no trial or error marketing, no rejection, no websites to build, no haggling family and friends, no stress, no headaches. Mail the postcard. Mail, 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 and take up money. Folks, it could not be more exciting. The good times are beginning to roll. From 2022 and the next 10, 15 years, folks, we're going to be having systems like this, and the folks that are plugging it are going to be earning 5 figures a month. It's possible. Income disclaimer, nothing happens till you take action. That's the income disclaimer, folks. This is exciting. We've got one more postcard, the Cree postcard. Jose, my sponsor that bought me into this thing, he talks about residual income. Now, folks, now, these programs that we're running, let me tell you, while we're building, I'm in some network marketing programs. As I build the income on the back end, the network market, these programs here offer these upfront, big ticket, in your face right now. I need $1,500 a month, consistent right now money, while I'm building the other programs on the back end. Does it make sense? Folks, this is exciting. And this right here, folks, you can receive $100 money orders. Pause the video, dial that number. Any of these postcards, if you want a copy of them, all you do is you can request a copy of them, or just call the number, leave the message, and we'll get a call back to you. And you'll be off to the races. The way this one works, guys, we'll give you a copy of the postcard. We'll email a copy to you, and then you mail it in. The other two, you just call this number. If you want to get started here, call this number, and a coach will call you back. One of the coaches. I'm not the coach, but one of our coaches will call you back. And that is incredible. Tell the coach that I sent you. Let me know that you're joining. And I got some extra stuff for you. Now, this one right here, same with this. Call the number, leave a message. Coach will call you back, and they will close sales. Guys, these are done for you. Could not be more excited. Let's go back over here. Okay, the Creek postcard. Now, the way this thing works, guys, I've got probably maybe 30, 40 people out there mailing postcards, and I'm in number 2. Jose bought me into this. Pause the video, guys. Link below the video, the Creek Cup. You can see the presentation of what this thing can do for you. Absolutely amazing. You get 2 money orders, make them payable to dealer 1, 2, and 3. You make one payable to the company. And guys, you're going to get 250 free postcards to get you off to the races. 250 free postcards. Guys, the good times are rolling. If you're ready for some serious cash each and every week, simply by mailing postcards to others, this Cree postcards is something that you want to get involved with. I mean, you get it and mail, and people will thank you for getting involved with it. And let me tell you what, guys and gals, people will join 3, 4, 5 of these programs if you let them know what you got, because there are multiple streams of income. There's nothing in the world like it. And then you'll have money showing up in this program, that program, this program. It's everywhere. There is so much money to be made, folks. The sky is the limit. All right, if this video resonated with you, if you enjoyed it, if this was time well spent together, let's give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Bye for now. Into the next video. And guys, my next video, I believe I'm going to be talking about this young man. Let me show y'all, guys, this young man here, Chris Sullivan. Chris Sullivan joined me in The leverage profit says, look at Chris, guys. Amazing. And here is his website. We're going to talk about him in the next video. And the leverage profit system. That thing is absolutely on a tear to the upside. We want you involved, guys. Find a program, plug in, let's destroy poverty. I want you to win. I want you to win so big. There is no shortage of money. You need to take action. Nothing is going to happen until you request this postcard or request a postcard, get a stamp, and start mailing it. Money ain't going to fall out the tree. It ain't going to fall out the air. But you got to take action to get what you want. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Bye for now. Until the next video.